Anika and Mina met on the first day of school in a small town. Both were shy and alone. Anika had lost her mother, and Mina's family had just moved into the neighborhood. They sat side by side under a neem tree and shared a single mango. From that moment on, they became best friends. Every morning, Anika waited at Mina's gate. They walked to school hand in hand, chattering about cartoons and cricket. When exams came, they studied together under the street lamp, quizzing each other on tables and spellings. When one failed, the other offered a comforting hug and fresh hope. In 8th grade, Mina's father lost his job. Their home grew quiet and tense. Mina stopped smiling. Anika noticed immediately. Every evening, she carried 2 cups of chai to Mina's house. She sat with Mina's family and helped Mina's mother cook dinner. She told stories and made Mina laugh until her eyes sparkled again. Anika's small kindnesses kept Mina's hope alive. After 10th grade, Mina's family moved to another city. On the day they left, Anika pressed a small diary into Mina's hand. "Write to me," she said, fighting back tears. "I will write to you too." For a few months, letters flew back and forth, full of jokes and dreams. But soon, the letters slowed, then stopped. Life got busy for both, and they lost touch. 5 years later, Anika's mother fell ill and was rushed to the city hospital. Anika stayed by her side, scared and alone. One afternoon, a young doctor in a white coat smiled and asked Anika how she was. It was Mina. She had studied medicine and returned home to join the local hospital. Anika gasped and ran into her arms. "You came back," she whispered. Mina held her tightly. "You always believed I would. I could not imagine you without me." Mina treated Anika's mother with gentle care. Each evening after work, Mina sat by Anika's side in the waiting room. They talked as if no time had passed at all about childhood games, the old neem tree, and the mango they shared. Anika realized that true friendship never ends. Anika's mother recovered, and they went home together. On the way, Mina stopped by the old school and the neem tree. She pulled out the diary Anika gave her years ago, now full of memories. "We may grow up and move away," Mina said, "but we will always find our way back to each other." Under the neem tree, they promised to stay friends for life. And as the sun set, their laughter rang out, warm and bright proof that a true friend is a gift that time cannot take away.